Hello guys, today's video is a tutorial on how to create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail. This video is inspired by a friend who is new as well to YouTube and who is keen on learning how to customize a thumbnail. So if you would like to learn, please stick right through till the end of the video. So before we get started on this tutorial, I would like to say that once you upload a video on YouTube, YouTube creates a thumbnail for you. However, it is always great to customize a thumbnail to suit the video purpose and help attract more subscribers to your channel. First, I use an app called Canva. So I search Canva. So I already have it here. So if you do not have it, go to your Google Play Store, type Canva and install it. As a YouTuber, you should have a YouTube studio, and this is where you edit your video, add descriptions, add video titles and tags, and also add customized thumbnail. So I'll go I have to search for my YouTube studio. So YouTube studio. So here you go. This is the YouTube studio. So back to my Canva. So once you have your YouTube studio open, go back to your Canva and always make sure you use templates that are relevant to the app you want to use. So for this purpose, because we want to customize our thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, so always make sure you type YouTube thumbnail, and here you go. Click on it. Once it's open, use any free template that might fit the purpose of your video. So you can do beauty, or you can do music, you could do tutorial, you can do search for other templates. So make sure you use any template that is free. So let's use this for example. So you can add a picture. Let's see. And then adjust your text. So you can just play around with the font size. You can play around with the font. For this purpose, this font is called Laura, so you can use any other font and apply it to the text. You can play around with colors as well. Once you're done, click on download, and here it's saved to your gallery. Go back to your YouTube studio, click on any video that you want to customize. You'd see a pencil here. Click on it, click on a pencil again, and then click on it. If you don't have a customized thumbnail already, it would be, you know, where you see change, it would be something called customized thumbnail. So click on it. It takes you right through your gallery. Click on your customized thumbnail and click select and click save. And here you go. It's already saved. So click on it. Click on this.
Hello guys.
Here you go. So that's how you customize your thumbnail. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial on how to customize your YouTube thumbnail, please like this video or give it a thumbs up, as I would always say. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. I would like to hear your opinion. If you have other apps that you use in customizing your YouTube thumbnail, please share in the comment section below. I love you all. Take care. Bye.